we'll guide you through how to use Dropbox for free. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Dropbox website on your computer. Once you're there, you need to sign up for a free account. Look for the Sign Up button, usually at the top right corner. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your first name, last name, email, and a password. Make sure your password is strong to keep your files secure. Agree to the terms and conditions, and then click on the Sign Up button. After signing up, you might need to verify your email address by clicking on a link sent to your inbox, so be sure to check your email. Once your account is set up, you can start using Dropbox. To upload files, click on the Upload button located near the top of your dashboard. You can either drag and drop files into the browser window or select them manually from your computer. Dropbox offers a limited amount of free storage space, so it's a good idea to keep an eye on how much you're using by checking the storage bar in your account settings. If you need more space, you can either upgrade to a paid plan or manage your files wisely by deleting what you no longer need. Sharing files is also a breeze. Just right-click on any file or folder you want to share and select the Share option. You can then enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with or generate a shareable link. Remember, Dropbox syncs your files across all devices where you're logged in, so you can access them anywhere. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.